The Maha Vikas Aghadi or Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi, abbreviated as MVA, is a state-level political coalition formed after the 2019 Maharashtra Legislative Assembly election under the leadership of Uddhav Thackeray of Shiv Sena, Sharad Pawar of the NCP and Sonia Gandhi of the Incorporated, along with the support from the Samajwadi Party, PWPI, Prahar Janshakti Party and several other political parties including Independent MLAs. Uddhav Thackeray was elected as the president of the MVA after a meeting on 26 November 2019. He took oath of the office and secrecy on 28 November 2019 as the 19th Chief Minister of Maharashtra state. The alliance was formed by non-NDA political parties in Maharashtra as a result of 2019 Maharashtra political crisis, where the Shiv Sena left the NDA post-polls over differences with the BJP in their preferred candidates for Chief Minister and other important portfolio positions after the 2019 Maharashtra Legislative Assembly election. Sharad Pawar, Sanjay Raut, Ahmed Patel and other leaders across the NCP Incorporated and Shiv Sena worked to realize a new alliance after Shiv Sena and BJP parted ways and Shiv Sena's lone union minister in Modi's cabinet, Arvind Sawant, tendered his resignation. In 2022, during a party meeting, Uddhav Thackeray explained his move to pull out of NDA to join UPA. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.